All right. This is group 2. Some of you have done this group before, but some of you are brand new. Welcome to group 2. All right, make sure you have a pencil, your paper that has these numbers on it, 989, 984. Let's get started. All we're doing here on this one is we are going to label each digit. This is a digit. So we have some digits. We have digit. We have 3 digits there. And we are just going to label each place value with its name. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's the ones place, here's the tens place, and here's the hundreds place. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds. Simple. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. And we're going to keep moving because we got to move on to questions 3 and 4. Value. When it asks you what the value of a digit is, value means what is it worth? What is it worth? Okay, the value is worth. Okay, so it's saying I have 3 pieces of paper, but those 3 pieces of paper are each worth 10 each. 10 fingers, and each of these fingers is worth 10. 10, 20, 30. 3 fingers, I have 30. And they're each worth 30. So each are worth 30. I have 6 fingers or 6 pieces of paper, and each is worth 100 because it's sitting at that digit is sitting in the hundreds place. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, worth 600. That's the value. That's what it's worth. That's the value. Okay. So now I'm going to scroll down here and find out, write each digit in expanded form, meaning you are going to bust apart each of those digits and tell me how much are they worth. What is this 7 worth? What is this 5 worth? What is this 2 worth? What is this 2 worth? What is this 9 worth? What are they worth? Okay, this 7, you have 7 fingers. Each of them is sitting, so that 7 digit, that digit of 7 is sitting in a tens place. So that makes each finger or each piece of paper worth 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70. I have 70. It's how much it's worth. Okay? Plus, I have 5 pieces of paper, each worth 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's worth 5. Make sure you put the parentheses. Okay? The first 2 on the very left-hand side, this 2 is worth 200 because it's sitting in the hundreds place. 2 times 100 is 200. Plus 2 tens is 20 plus a 9. Okay? Scrolling down. I'll move my face out of the way a little bit. Okay, so I have 50 plus 3, and it's asking me how much is that going to be worth? 50 plus 3 more is going to be worth 53. That's what it's going to be worth. Okay? Now, this is asking you how many groups of 10 are in 676. So how many groups of 10? So we are looking at the tens place right there. Then we take and circle everything in front of the 7. We circle the 7 and everything in front and behind it. Everything. We circle everything. So the tens and the hundreds. And if there was the thousands place, we'd circle it too. But there isn't. So there are 67 groups of 10. Now write this down. If there was 23, and how many groups of 10 are in 23? Well, I'll go to the 2 and circle everything in front of it. And there are only 2 groups. Okay? If I have 18 groups, I go to the tens place, because how many groups of 10 are there? And I circle the 1 and everything behind it, and there's only 1 group of 10. Okay? So make sure that you're looking at how many groups of 10. Look at the tens place and circle everything behind it. Okay? So if you're looking at, say, for example, another number, if I had the number of 777, I would say how many groups of 10 are in 7? I go to the tens place, and then I'll circle everything in front of it. So there are 77 groups of 10. Okay? If I have the number 44, I go to the tens place, and I circle everything in front of it, and I have 4 groups of 10. 4 groups of 10. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, please see me. I will see you on the next video. I am praying that all of you get out of group 2. Bye-bye.